Hi guys, today I'll be doing another unboxing of a Pochette Accessoire. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Here's the ribbon and the receipt. So here it is. And this time I got it in the monogram. This one is made in France. This is the shoulder strap. Here's the textile card and the SKU number. And of course, inside is the brown textile lining with one slip pocket. The date code says this was made the 7th week of this year, so sometime in February. Here again is a closer look. So I wanted to see if there was any differences between the Pochette Accessoire in monogram and the one in Damier Azur. The only difference that I see is in the hardware. If you can see here, the one in Damier Azur is more of a true gold, and the one in the monogram is more of a dull gold color. I'm not sure if there's a difference between the zipper color, and for this side it looks pretty much the same color. It might just be the hardware on the pull tab. The dimensions are of course identical. The bottom, and I noted that this was actually made last year, the 27th week of last year, end of June, beginning of July, and then this was made beginning of this year, the 7th week, so sometime in February. So that just kind of tells you these aren't in production all the time. And this was, I only received this, I think last month. I got this last month. So this is a great bag if you're someone who doesn't bring too many things for everyday use. It's also great for an evening bag. I do have a strap for this, then I sometimes use this as a crossbody. If you watch my triple unboxing, that's the strap that I use. It's the 12mm strap. For Louis Vuitton, this is on their lower end side of prices for handbags. This is probably one of the, if not the cheapest option for a handbag. So anyways, that was my quick unboxing of another Pochette Accessoire in the monogram. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks guys, bye.